Friends, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. In our previous session, we came to know that there was a girl, her name was Belinda. She was living with her pets. They were kitten, dog, a grey mouse, and a dragon. Except dragon, all were brave. The dragon was very coward and he was always asking for nice safe cage. And all the other animals and Belinda, they were making fun of Custard. Custard means that dragon. And one day they heard a strange sound. Then they looked around. Then they came to know that a pirate was climbing in the window. He was holding pistols in both the hands, and he was holding a sword, cutlass, with his teeth. And he was coming there with bad intention. Now let's continue the poem. Belinda paled and she cried, "Help, help!" But Mustard fled with a terrified yell. Ink trickled down to the bottom of the household, and little mouse blinked strategically. Mouse hold. Belinda paled. Paler means turned yellow due to fear. Okay. All of a sudden, she turned yellow due to fear and she cried, "Help, help!" But Mustard fled with a terrified yelp. But Mustard, the dog, fled with terrified yelp. Terrifying yelp. Yelp means cry. Okay. He was terrified and he ran away. Fled means ran away with cry. Ink trickled down to the bottom of the household. Ink trickled down. Trickled down means moved or reached. He moved or reached to the bottom of the household. And little mouse blinked strategically. Mouse hold. Okay. And little mouse blink strategically means with his own plan as per the demand of the time. Okay. As per the demand of the situation, he escaped to the mouse hole. Okay. But up jumped Custard, snorting like an engine, clashed his tail like irons in the dungeon. With a clatter and clank and jangling square, he went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. But at that moment, Custard jumped up, snorting like an engine. Snorting means sound of nose. Engine sound, like sound was coming out from his nose. Clashed his tail like irons in the dungeon. He clashed. Clashed means stuck or hit sound. Okay. A loud sound, hit sound. Clashed his tail like irons in the dungeon. He made sound. Irons. Irons means shackle. Okay. In the dungeon. Dungeon means prison. Okay. Underground prison. When a prisoner is there in the prison and his hands and legs were tied with shackle or irons, that time while he was moving, what kind of sound would come? Such kind of sound was coming. he was making such kind of a sound. Who? Dragon, Custard. With a clatter and clank and jangling squeal. With clatter and clank. Clatter and clank means making rattling sound. And jangling squeal. Jangling squeal means metallic sound. Okay. He went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. He went towards the pirate like robin at a worm. Robin, a bird. How robin bird moves towards its prey worm. In the same way, Custard went towards that pirate. The pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon and gulped some grog from his pocket flagon. He fired 2 bullets, but they didn't hit, and Custard gobbled him every bit. See here. The pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon. Pirate gaped. Gaped means watched intently. He stared at Belinda's dragon and gulped. Gulped means drank down. Drank down some grog from his pocket dragon. Some grog. Grog means wine. Okay. He drank down wine from his pocket flagon. Okay. Flagon means a small container. Probably he had a bottle of wine in his pocket. He took out and he drank wine. He fired 2 bullets, but they didn't hit. Then he fired 2 bullets towards this dragon, but they didn't hit dragon. And Custard gobbled him every bit. Then Custard gobbled. Gobbled means swallowed. Okay. Custard swallowed him every bit. Every bit means completely. He swallowed him completely. Belinda embraced him. Mustard licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and blink in glee did Garrett around the dragon that ate the pirate. See here. Belinda embraced him. Embraced means hugged him. Mustard licked him. Then Mustard came out and he licked Custard. No one mourned for his pirate victim. No one was expressing his pirate victim. Okay, no one was mourning or expressing their sadness for the death of that pirate. Blink and ink in glee did Garrett. Blink and ink in glee, in joy or happiness. They did Garrett. Garrett means danced around. Okay, danced around. They danced around Custard. Did Garrett around the dragon that ate the pirate. They danced around the dragon that ate the pirate. But presently, up spoke little dog Mustard. I have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. And up spoke Ink and up spoke Blink. You would have been 3 times as brave, we think. And Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. Here, but presently, up spoke little dog Mustard. Then Mustard said, I would have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. Flustered means become nervous or become confused. Then that dog said, Mustard said, if I hadn't been confused, if I hadn't become nervous at that moment, I would have been twice brave. He was telling to that Custard. And up spoke ink and upspoke blink. We would have been 3 times as brave, we think. They said they would have been 3 times braver than Custard if they had not been flustered, they said. And Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. But this Custard, which did not have self-respect, or which was very shameless creature, it said, I quite agree. Yes, I agree with you that everybody is braver than me. It's agreed that those animals were braver than him. Actually, he ate parrot. He saved them all. But they were telling that if they hadn't been flustered, they would have been twice or thrice braver than him. And he was accepting that. Yes, everybody is braver than me. Belinda still lived in her little white house with her little black kitten and her little grey mouse, and her little yellow dog and her little red wagon, and her Trulio little pet dragon. Again, Belinda, she lived in the same house with her pets. Belinda is again as brave as a barrel full of bears, and Ink and Blink chase the lions down the stairs. Mustard is as brave as a tiger in the cage, but Custard keeps crying for a nice safe cage. Same what is mentioned in the earlier stanzas. Same thing repeated here. Again they started to live in the same house, and they were Belinda was as brave as barrel full of bears, and Ink and Blink chase the lions down the stairs, and Mustard is as brave as a tiger in a cage, but this coward Custard keep crying for nice safe cage. Actually, he was braver than others, but he did not have self-respect. He was thinking himself as inferior. If a person has inferiority, how much physical strength he has also, that is not useful. We can see that thing in this poem. Though the dragon was braver than others, stronger than others, he was thinking himself as coward. So self-respect, that is a very important thing. We should not have inferiority complex. If we have inferiority complex, our physical strength, that will be nothing. Okay. That important thing we can see in this poem. With this we have completed this poem. Thank you for watching video.